Yo, what's up everyone? Crypto Henry here, and in this video I'm going to show you something that can potentially make you a lot of money with very low or no risk. I'm going to be talking about flash loans. How can you borrow multi-million dollar loans without putting a collateral, and how to grab arbitrage opportunities that can potentially make you a lot of money with very low risk. So now I believe you might be asking, what? Multi-million dollar loan? No, I cannot do it. No. But yes, you can. Anyone can do it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these multi-million dollar loans that you can repay very, very fast to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities. So first, let's understand what exactly is a flash loan. So I'm here on Aave. Aave, as you know, is one of the biggest DeFi lending platforms, and they explain it very well here. What is a flash loan? So flash loans allow you to borrow any available amount. Any available amount can be millions of dollars of assets without putting up any collateral, as long as the liquidity is returned to the protocol within the one block transaction, within that same transaction. Now, you might be scratching your head, how is it possible to borrow an asset on Aave, exchange that asset to another asset, go to another DEX and exchange it again, and return the money to Aave, everything within the same transaction, within the same block? And remember, for example, the Ethereum blockchain, one block is 12 seconds. So how can you do everything in 12 seconds? Well, let me show you here an example, and after that, I'm going to show you, practically speaking, how it works. But for example, this is one of those transactions where in one single transaction, you have a lot of different things happening. So you have here different swaps, for example, that happen within the same transaction. And what I'm going to show you in this case is exactly this. So you will be able to borrow money, exchange it again, and then return these to Aave within the same transaction. And this is how you can borrow millions of dollars without any collateral. Well, but how can you make money with these flash loans? Well, you can make money by grabbing these arbitrage opportunities. But what is an arbitrage opportunity? Well, different markets sometimes have different prices for the same assets, right? Imagine, for example, in Italy, maybe olive oil is cheaper than in Brazil. So you will have an arbitrage opportunity if you buy olive oil in Italy and sell it in Brazil. And the same happens in the crypto space. You have different centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and you can buy in one exchange a certain asset and sell it in the other, where you can eventually sell it more expensive. So in DeFi, you have also different DEXs, decentralized exchanges. You have, for example, Uniswap, 1inch, Curve. And what we are going to try to do is to find an asset that is cheaper in one place and more expensive in the other, and try to take advantage of that variation. All right, so let's start and let's create a flash loan on Furucombo. So I can come here and select flash loan on Aave 2.0, and let's do a DAI flash loan. I want to borrow $1 million worth of DAI, and Furucombo will automatically create the flash loan, the borrow, and returning the loan immediately. And what I want to do is to try to find some kind of arbitrage opportunity. And let's add here a swap. I want to select Curve. Curve is one of the biggest DEXs, decentralized exchanges. And I may want to swap, okay, DAI for USDC. Maybe the USDC price is a little bit better. So I'll switch here the combo and click previous output, and 1 million DAI will give me 999,897 USDC. So it's not advantageous to do these trades. What about BUSD? No, also not advantageous. What about Frax? Frax? No. What about USDN? Okay, so USDN will give me, it will give me more. So 1 million DAI will buy 1,015,000 USDN. Cool. Now I need to rewind this back to DAI so that I can repay the flash loan. So let's go maybe to 1inch, and I'm just going to put here a random amount to move the block. Okay, so 1 inch, I want to exchange USDN for DAI. All right. And in this case, as you see, I would lose money if I do this flash trade. So I would actually have to pay $31,000. So this wouldn't work at all. If I try to do it, it will just fail. But let's try another example. Instead of using stablecoins, you could try to use some kind of other assets. So let's start our flash loan with wrapped BTC. No, with wrapped ETH. By the way, if you don't know what wrapped ETH is, you can check this other video up here. And let's start by borrowing 10,000 wrapped ETH, which in real life, I will definitely not be able to do it, but with flash loans, we can borrow 10,000 ETH worth like, how much is 10,000 ETH? Let me just pull my calculator. 10, 1, 2, 3 ETH at price is $15 million, okay? So yeah, I'm far from having $15 million, but we can have a flash loan worth $15 million. Now we go to 1 inch, and I'm going to put wrapped ETH, and I'm going to exchange it for DAI. And now I could come and put here Uniswap, and I need to exchange from DAI to WETH. Move the block here and click set. And at the end, I will again end up with a little bit less money. You can explore these and you will find some good opportunities if you spend enough time trying to play around and see if you will end up with more money than you actually started. And that's where you can find the good arbitrage opportunities. I don't want now to spend like 1 hour trying to find for these arbitrage opportunities, but this will be pretty much how it would work. Now let's try something different. Let's say I want to get a loan in Frax, WBTC, wrapped Bitcoin, and then we exchange the wrapped BTC back to Frax. And again, this will not be advantageous, but you get the idea. You will be able to initiate a loan worth millions of dollars without actually having these millions of dollars, and eventually grab these kind of arbitrage opportunities, which we couldn't find now, because if it was that easy to find, then everyone will be doing a ton of money. Not that easy, so you need to wait for the right moments, usually moments with higher volatility in the market. You find better arbitrage opportunities, and I'm recording this video in a Saturday morning, probably not much activity in the market, and that's why you cannot find good arbitrage opportunities. But if you find any good arbitrage opportunities, please let me know. Let me know in the comment section if you managed to find it, and what kind of arbitrage opportunity did you find with the help of Furucombo and with the help of the Aave flash loans. All right, guys, I hope this video was useful to understand what flash loans are and how to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities across different decentralized exchanges. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you next time.